Studying can feel overwhelming. Pause. But what if AI could make it faster and easier? Today we'll explore 5 powerful AI tools that every student should try in 2025. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, Notion AI. It summarizes notes, creates to-do lists, and explains tough topics simply. Pause, imagine revising in half the time. Tool number 2, Quizlet with AI. It builds flashcards from your notes and turns them into smart quizzes. No more wasting hours writing questions. Tool number 3, Grammarly. Write faster, edit smarter, sound professional every time. Tool number 4, Elicit. Your personal research assistant. Finds papers, extracts key points, organizes sources. Pause thesis, assignment, done. And finally, tool number 5, Speechify. Turn boring PDFs into natural audio. Learn while you walk, cook, or relax. And finally, tool number 5, Speechify. So, which AI tool will you try first? Pause, comment below, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and explore more smart living hacks on NeuraLiving.